Hey there, my name is Daniel and you're watching Cold Starter. On this channel I discuss everything that's helped me go from worst person on the sales team to acting team lead and doing over 40 grand in revenue in a single month. That being said, today's video is about D2D sales tips, specifically how to handle any objection using the open question technique. This is one of the techniques that you should have on your tool belt. It's very useful for when getting smokescreen objections. Customers not being very specific. It's like being at a bar and you're trying to talk to a girl and she's telling you, I have a boyfriend, instead of telling you, you're really ugly. Okay. So what we want to do is get the prospect to tell you what the real objection is. So we're going to use this technique and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I've got a few objections listed down, so we're just going to run through them. So first one is, I'm not interested. Great. You're not interested. What specifically are you not interested in, Mr. Customer? Is it talking to myself? Is it the service? Is it the company? Is it the rate? What specifically are you not interested in? All we're doing there is getting them to stop being ambiguous and actually tell us what the real problem is. Mr. Customer, walk me through the problem. Tell me what's stopping you to buy so I can press the right buttons and you can buy. Okay? And they will tell you what it is. And you know when you get to the real objection, because there's going to be no ambiguity. It's just going to be clear. My problem is that I need to transfer some money over before I can buy this. Right? They will tell you what the real objection is, whatever it is. Okay? I need to speak to my wife. This is not a real objection. It never is, it never was, it never will be. Okay? Great, you need to speak to your wife. What do you need to speak to her specifically about? Is it myself? Is it the company? Is it the service? Is it just a quick check-in? Okay, so once again, we're getting them to be specific. We're happy with what we have at the moment. Great. Who are you with at the moment? Is it this company? This company? Okay. Once again, getting them to be specific. I need to think about it. I love this one. I love when prospects tell me I need to think about it. Why? Great, you need to think about it. What specifically do you need to think about? Mr. Customer, what specifically do you need to think about? Is it the company? Is it the service? Is it my... Like, you get it. It's the same thing. They're not being specific. You're affirming, great, you said your objection, I heard you. Be more specific with me, please. So we can work through this together. Because I'm not a pushy person who will tell you to buy regardless of what. I will understand if you're being specific and real with me. So talk to me. Okay, that's all we're getting them to do with that specific technique. There is other techniques that I'll share on the channel, so stay tuned. But other than that, I'll see you on the next one.